Hey everyone, this is Mike from AltcoinTradingSignal.com, and I just wanted to take a moment to talk about a new service I'm offering that focuses on algorithmic cryptocurrency trading. Now, I'm not sure how much you follow technical analysis, but if you look back 3 months, you're going to notice that most people get their predictions wrong. And really that's because there's just a lot of manipulation in the market right now. So even the most skilled forecasters are getting things wrong, quite often. So before I show you these recent trades, let me explain a little bit. See, over the years of trading, I've taken indicators like EMA, RSI, MACD, and I altered them in the settings to best suit the cryptocurrency market. Now over the past year, I've learned about Pine Scripts, which is a programming language that TradingView offers. And with this, I was able to combine all my custom indicators into one. So basically, I created a script that produces buy and sell signals based off of the change in market trend. Now when the script fires one of these buy or sell signals, then TradingView will send it to my email, and my email is connected to a trading bot which is connected to my Binance account. So what happens is, my script will send the buy or sell signal to my email, and then the trading bot will read that email and then make the trade for me automatically. And this is great because I could trade 24/7 completely hands-free. Now if you become a member, then I'll forward the trade signals to you the second I receive them myself. And for example, if you have the same trading bot, then you could trade with me and all the other members at the exact same time. And that's what makes this a pretty unique service. We all trade at the exact same time. And once we get a lot of members, this should start to get interesting because it's kind of like we're building a trading whale. And I do have an interesting theory, and I'll share that with you at the end of the video. But for now, let's take a look at some of these past trades that my script is producing. Okay, so the script is on, and we're looking at the Bitcoin Tether pairing on Bittrex, and this is the 4-hour chart. So I'm currently shooting this video October 29th, and if I zoom out, let me turn my indicator off for a second. If we zoom out and take a look at the market, there has just been a lot of sideways trading. Let's measure how long this is. 139 days. So for 139 days, not much has happened with Bitcoin, which is pretty surprising. To me, that's signifying that this is a floor and we're only going to be going up from here, but that's a whole nother video. I'm not talking about TA here. I want to talk about the script, so let me go ahead and turn that back on. But basically, I just wanted to show you that because when the market is trading sideways, it's not able to give you the best signals because what the script is doing is trying to find a change in the market trend. And right now, it's just a constant battle between the bulls and the bears. So with that being said, I'm going to scroll back a little bit in time and see what kind of signals this would have produced during a time of more volatility. So let's look at this market cycle, for example. Let's see how much profit could have been made at this time period. So for example, if you were just buying and holding, let's just do right here. Yeah, we'll do here. So in 3 months of holding Bitcoin at this time, you would have lost 7%. Now let me move this to the side. Now let me calculate what kind of profits my script would have produced. So let me zoom in so I could better see. Okay. So basically when it gives the signal, it trades on the bar after that, because that's when the candle finishes and that's when it solidifies that position it made. Let me just continue a buy here, sell here. And I want to show you this because not every trade is going to be a winning trade. That's pretty much impossible. There's no script out there where every single trade wins. But what I want to show you is how this script makes more than just buying and holding. Okay, so I know it's a bit messy. Let me go ahead and pull a calculator up. Alright, so first let's go ahead and add all the profits up. It's going to round, so 28 plus 1, so that's 29. Now let's add up all these losses. So 4 plus 3, that's 7. 10, 12, 14, alright, 19. So 19%. Alright, so 10% profit. That doesn't seem like a lot, but let's zoom out, scroll down. Let me go ahead and delete all these. And I'll go ahead and bring this back up. So as you can see, if you just bought and held, you would have lost 8%, but if you use my trading services, you would have actually made 10%. Now it doesn't sound like a lot, but remember this is completely automated. Once you have it set up, it will actually trade for you. So let me go ahead and delete that. I'll make a note of it here. I made 10% here on this cycle. Let's take a look at one of these other cycles. One more. Next we'll take a look at this cycle. Now if you got lucky enough to buy at this very bottom, which would be very rare, you would have made 8% profit in 2 months. I'll go ahead and put that down again. Let's see how much profit my trading signals would have gave you. Now when there's a clear market trend, this is where it really shines. Okay. So I'm going to bring up the calculator again. So 24.8 plus 1.8, that's 26% profit. Minus, now let's calculate the losses. 8 plus 1.2, so 9. Minus 9. So that equals 17% profit. Whereas if you were just buying and holding, you would have only made 8.6. Now if we zoom out even further, let's say you did buy right here. Let's look at over here. In 143 days, you would have lost 3.8. Whereas if you use my trade signals, you would have got these two, so 17 plus 10, so you would have made 27%. And remember, once this is set up, this will be completely hands-free. Now I'm not going to do this one because you get the idea, but just goes to show when there's a clear market trend, you could really make some great profits. Look, there was a buy right here and a sell over here. Looks like right there. I mean, that's nice, 157% profit in the time when crypto was really exploding, and it gave a great sell signal up here. And even these over here are good. Each one of these are profitable. So I did this because I want to show you that there's not crazy profits that my script is going to produce, but it will be significantly better than just buying and holding. And when you don't have to actually do the trade yourself, then it makes it really worth it, at least to me, from my point of view. And if you're wondering what trading bot I use, it's called GunBot, and I really like this bot because it's a one-time fee with lifetime updates, and you're in control of your own API keys. You don't have to risk giving them to some third party because GunBot actually runs on your own computer. And if you don't know what an API key is, it's kind of like a backdoor to your exchange account, so it's really important to keep that safe. That's one of the main reasons why I even chose GunBot in the first place. Now me personally, I use my custom script as you can see right here, but GunBot does come with various other scripts that you could try yourself. And if you use my GunBot referral link, then I'll give you 3 months of my trade signals for free. because, I actually get a commission of each sale of Gunbot. So you'd be buying a great piece of software plus getting my trade signals as a bonus, and in that 3-month period, it's likely, you're going to recover the cost of the bot. So it's a win-win. Now, if you're interested, just shoot me an email and I'll send you my custom referral link. Now, just so you know, Gunbot is pretty expensive. I believe it's around $1,700 right now, but that is a one-time fee with lifetime updates. Actually, when I bought Gunbot last year, I only paid $1,000 for it, but it was version 7 and now it's at the version 10, and there's more features coming out every update, and it's really, a really great piece of software. Just go to YouTube, type in Gunbot reviews, and see for yourself what other people think about it. Oh yeah, before I go, here's my theory about us creating a trading whale. So when my script sends me a buy signal, it's telling me that there's a shift in market trend to the upside. Now, if a large amount of us all buy at the exact same time, it's going to take out a good chunk of the order books, right? And you know what happens then? The price goes up. And since the market is already moving in that direction, by us synchronizing our trading at that critical moment, means we'll be amplifying that trend change, which may cause a chain reaction. I don't know though, it's just a theory. We'll see how things go down the road. I don't think we'll ever become real market movers, but when we trade at these critical times, we'll be influencing some algorithms out there that may have some serious capital behind it. So I think we're going to end it there. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to shoot me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright guys, have a good one.